Hi, my name is Ashika Agarwal, and let's have a look at this question today. The exterior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. What are the interior angles of the triangle? So, of the triangle, we're gonna draw a triangle. So now, exterior angles. So I'm gonna make little marks from me to remind myself. The exterior angles are one here, here, and here. Are in the ratio 2:3 and 4:4. So 2x, 3x, and 4x. So now I'm going to do 2 plus 3 plus 4x. So I'm going to do times x equals 360. So that means 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4, that's 9. So 9x equals 360. So x equals 40. So now we have 2x equals 80, 3x equals 120, and 4x equals 160. We have to find the opposite area. So this whole thing is 180. So you have 160, so this is 20, this is 100, and this is 60. That's the answer. Bye-bye.